Welcome to another edition of SCHAEF Talks. I'm coming at you in a different location, obviously. I'm here at the Air Force Flight Test Museum. And this is really about celebrating our heritage and our future. You'll often hear me say that Edwards is the birthplace of modern aviation and the future of air power, and it is awesome. And here at the Flight Test Museum, what you see behind us is our history. The Bell X-1 flown by Captain Chuck Yeager at the time, and the YB-49 Flying Wing flown by Captain Gled Edwards at the time. And I'm here also to highlight our upcoming Air Force birthday on September 18th. Our service will be 69 years old. We have an upcoming ball on September 10th for the Air Force Ball. And then we have an Air Force birthday bash right here on Friday, September 16th that we'd love to have you all come out for here at the museum. In this beautiful museum, you can see behind me the past, the present, and the future of air power for America. Right behind me is the F22. This was Lockheed's prototype of the F22, which first flew in 1990. It became initial operational capable in 2005, based on the work that was done here at Edwards Air Force Base. We've hit recently 2 more milestones for combat capability for our Air Force and our allies. In 2015, we went initial operational capable for the Marine Corps on the F-35, and just less than a month ago, we went initial operational capable on the F-35 for the Air Force. This will ensure air dominance for decades to come for our country. Behind me is an amazing piece of Edwards Air Force Base heritage, the X15 program. This program pushed our knowledge of hypersonics to ensure capabilities like the SR-71 and the Space Shuttle program. Amazing. Some folks would call this the golden era of flight test, and I agree. But I will tell you that I think today is the golden era of flight test for Edwards Air Force Base. With F-35 and KC-46, which just made a huge milestone decision to go into low-rate initial production, that was all enabled by the men and women of Edwards Air Force Base. And as we look to the future, hypersonics is coming down the pike. More cyber capabilities are on our roadmap. Autonomy is what we need to make sure that we stay one step ahead of the enemy. And I will tell you that the nation is counting on Edwards Air Force Base to deliver these war-winning capabilities. Thank you for joining me on this quick tour of the Air Force Flight Test Museum. As a reminder, I encourage everybody to join us here on September 16th for the Air Force Birthday Bash. I also want to let you know that we have plans to move the museum outside of the gate. This will increase the access of our heritage to the public and also increase our STEM education outreach to the community. Again, to the men and women of the Edwards Air Force Base and the 412 Test Wing, thank you for all that you do for our nation. You are awesome. You're the world leader in developmental test and evaluation, and you are making history every day. I am so proud of you. Happy 69th birthday to the Air Force. Thank you.